Welcome everyone. This is Advanced Labs for Palo Alto Networks Firewall, which means that we will be looking at a series of lab scenarios where the goal is going to be to configure the firewall to provide connectivity in the underlying network. This is a multi-protocol and multi-technology challenge where you will be building your configurations on top of the previous tasks to provide connectivity in the underlying network. So this is a complex lab that involves different features and technologies available on the firewall. You will need to configure them. You will need to do some troubleshooting. The full scope of this particular lab can be seen here. This is a section breakdown, firewall initial setup to get the device up and running, then policy configuration for traffic control, advanced security features, and inspections. We will also need to build and troubleshoot a virtual private network and protect the network against certain attacks. You guys have a great time working on these labs, and see you at Cybrec.